Hey, how are you, sir?
Hey, I'm good. Marcus Williams.
I've been expecting you. Come on in. All right.
If you're watching this video, you're in the right place. I met Mr. Newsom about 4.5 months ago, and I got his number from a real good friend of mine. And the number was about credit restoration. I've had some challenges and some issues with my credit, and I wanted to get it repaired. So I was referred to Mr. Newsom by my friend. In the past 4 months, my credit score has jumped more than 100 points. I've had a few things deleted off, things that I thought could never get deleted off, and Mr. Newsom has done it. He's done a great job with every step of the way repairing my credit.
Mr. William, what brings you in today?
Well, I got your number from a real good friend of mine.
Wow, and so what's going on?
Credit restoration. I want to see how can I get on the road to get my credit repaired. The whole process has been very pleasant. We don't miss any steps. He takes everything one by one and he shows me as he goes along with it. I just want everybody to know that this is real. I'm real excited about this because I'm moving my life in a direction as to where I can have more and do more. Instead of being an employee, I can be my own boss. I can be my own owner because of my credit being repaired. So this is really, really a great thing, and I'm very excited about it. And I want anybody that's in the sound of my voice to come see Mr. Newsom, and we can get your credit straightened out as well.